Hey everyone, my name is Katelyn, and today we're going to be talking about our new stain-resistant Glass Shield top coat and how to properly apply it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to see more of our videos, and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we post. The Glass Shield top coat is perfect for anyone looking for that extra durable protection against dyes and other stubborn products, while still achieving that maximum shine. Do your dip manicure as you normally would, but stop after filing, buffing, and shaping your nails. Do not put on a second coat of activator. Rough up the surface of your nail slightly with a file. This will help to ensure that your top coat is adhered to the dip powder underneath. Apply a thin coat of Glass Shield top coat. Cure under a UV or LED light for 60 seconds. Please note that this product requires a 36 to 48 watt UV or LED light to cure properly. After curing in the light, wipe your nails with an alcohol pad to remove any excess residue. And there you have it! Our Glass Shield top coat provides you with extra protection and a long-lasting shine. Thank you all for watching! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you're excited to pick up our new Glass Shield top coat. See you in our next video!